Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create motion graphics that can enhance your animations. We will also cover how to add text to your motion graphics to give them an even better look. But before we dive in, let's take a moment to watch a preview. To begin, let's create a new composition and name it Main. Next, right-click your mouse and select Solid Layer to create a new solid layer. Rename this layer as BG. Search for the gradient ramp effect and drag and drop it into the BG composition. Now, navigate to the gradient ramp properties. To start color, I will change it to something shade of gray. Now go to the project and click on this composition to create a new composition. Let's name it a circle. Later I will change its pixels. As of now, let it be as it is. Now go to the rectangle icon. Here select the ellipse shape to draw the circle. Hold Shift and along the control. Create the shape like this to create the perfect circle at the center. To bring this anchor point to the center of this circle, just select the circle shape layer, hold the Control key, and then double-click on this anchor point icon. Now I will add the gradient overlay. You can add it by selecting this shape layer or going to this layer tool. In this, select Layer Styles and here select the Gradient Overlay. Open these Gradient Overlay properties, then click on this Edit Gradient. Here first color, let it be white. And then the second color will be light white. At this point, I will select one more color, and for this, I will select the gray color. Let's align the white color to the top of the edge by adjusting its angle. Now, select the layer, right-click on your mouse and choose Inner Shadow from Layer Styles. Let's make it transparent so that you can notice the difference. So now in an Inner Shadow properties, blend mode, I will change it to normal, then I will change the color to white. Size, increase it to 40%. Now it's giving the perfect inner shadow effect. In angle, let's make some changes so that the edges look smooth. Now again select the satin in Layer Styles. Again, blend mode, change it to normal, color change it to white. Opacity will make it to 100 and size will make it to 80%. Then, invert let's off it. Now let's pre-compose it. Select the Move All attributes. For this, I will give the name as a sphere. Now, add the drop shadow. The tab, which is the plugin, you can download it if you need this. This tab helps you to access FX presets quickly. Instead of going to the Effect tab, you can directly access it by pressing the Control spacebar. The link to this plugin is in the description, you can download it from there. And how to use it, you can check it from the same link. The shadow color makes it 100% and color I will change it to white. Then change the direction of it so that edges move to the top, something like this. Distance 2% and smooth, let it be 0%. I am going to apply the glow effect now. Firstly, I will increase the glow threshold to about 95%. Next, I will increase the glow radius to 450%. You'll notice that the glow is currently appearing outside of the shape layer. To fix this, I will change the glow colors to A and B colors. Then, I'll change color B to white, which will bring the glow radius inside the shape layer. Please duplicate the glow effect. Here, increase the glow threshold to 100% and the glow radius to 1000%. I hope I added the posterize effect. Let's check. It seems I didn't apply it yet. Okay, let's apply the posterize effect now. I suggest changing the level to 75%. Let's see how it looks. Great, it works. Lastly, I will add the tritone for the color. Midtones will change it to a light blue color. Now go to the project. Now go to Main Project, drag and drop the circle composition into the timeline. Click on the icon to convert it into 3D and then duplicate it as needed. For my purposes, I will duplicate it approximately 14 times. Let's hide all other views except for the one we are working on. To change the position of the circle on the x-axis, simply hold the position mark with an X and adjust it accordingly. You can also adjust its position on the Y and Z axis by holding the appropriate position marks. To adjust the distance and position of an object from the camera, you can use the Z-axis position. The object can be moved further away or brought closer by adjusting the Z position. By holding the object at the center position X, Y, and Z axis positions, you can move it freely in any direction. Please note that here I have changed the Z-axis position. So you will see here it has turned into a small size. It means it has moved away from the camera. Remember, it's not a scale, it's a position. Repeat this process for the remaining circles. I will speed up this part. The alignment of the position has been completed. Now, create the camera and open the camera properties. In the properties, on indicates the depth of the field. At this point, you will not see any changes. To make changes, increase the aperture pixels and decrease the focus distance pixels. This will result in a blurred image. Keep adjusting until you are satisfied with the output. Now go to the circle and change the sphere composition position. Give the keyframes for the last keyframe. Let's change its position towards the Y-axis. Select the layer, then hold the Shift key Then move this towards up. Then for the first keyframe, move its position towards the down. Let's review the main composition now and add some noise effects to improve its appearance. To do this, create an adjustment layer and apply the noise effect. Keeping the amount at 5%. Adjust the percentage if needed to achieve the desired effect. Additionally, you can enhance the composition by adding some text. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. Thank you for watching.